Today I'm going to demonstrate how to cook a noodle salad. I'm going to put the ingredients together and we're going to cook a noodle salad together. So come along with me and I'll show you how to prepare the ingredients. Okay, so we need some balsamic vinegar, some vegetable oil and some pomegranate molasses. We also need some chicken. Here I've got a roast chicken. We have some pine nuts. We've got some noodles, Cheng's fried noodles. These are a key ingredient. We've got the Chinese cabbage, and we've got some shallots. We also need a big knife and a big bowl to put the Chinese cabbage in. Okay, not these noodles, but these noodles. So use these, not the purple ones. These are the best ones for the noodle salad. Thank you very much. That's all today. This video is dedicated to the many people who have been asking for the ingredients for this recipe. They've obviously tried it and they loved it. So we're going to start off by chopping up the shallots. Get rid of these ends. Nobody wants a fluffy in there. There you go. Chop these up. Ideally, if it's a sharp knife.
It will work out much better. This one, unfortunately, is blunt as a stump. And it means a bit of elbow grease is required to chop this little fibre up. But I'll persevere and get this done and get our shallots chopped up. Almost there. And that cut my finger off. Chop them out. This is always a bonus, you don't want to chop it. Okay.
Now we go about chopping up the Chinese cabbage. So let's get into that. We'll cut it in half.
Get rid of some of the end ones. Yes. And we slowly cut it into nice edible size pieces. And closely get them stem. Smaller than they need to be, otherwise you'll get like funky bits. Just get the end bit, spin that round. Okay, now we put this in the bowl. There you go. This one will be cooked. The only cooking we need to do in this is the sauce at the end.
There's that. Oh, and the pine nuts need to be cooked as well. So I might turn that oven on and roast some pine nuts. They don't need to be cooked long. Put them on a bit of baking tray. Put them in the oven. Just before they go, they should go nice golden brown. If they've gone black, they've gone too far.
Just going to chop out the other half of this Chinese cabbage. I'm going to make another bowl. I'm going to use all my Chinese cabbage, all my pine nuts, all my shallots, all in one go. It's so good. It's even better the second day and the third day. I don't normally reach the third day, but okay. Like this.
So we put the pine nuts into the oven, and we're just keeping a close eye on them because as soon as they go, they will roast. So as soon as the oven gets warm, we should be good. Check on any temperature, we just want to roast them. Okay, both bowls done of cabbage. Now what you do is prepare the chicken. So we pull the chicken out of the bag. Let's go and put a knife in this. Through there. And we roast and pull this chicken apart. Come on, chicken. Oh. That didn't work. Okay. Take the skin off. We don't really want to put the skin there. There's always somebody in the family that likes skin. So just get all the bones out, ready to chop that. Spiky bones. Anyhow, we'll probably fast forward this. It's a messy piece, but we'll chop the chicken into the small edible pieces and then we'll spread them between both bowls. Right, chop the chicken up and spread it out between the dishes. Pine nuts are done. They didn't take long at all. The noodles don't go in yet. Generally we put half a bag in one, half a bag in the other, and then on the day of serving put some fresh ones in as well, so you got the mixture of fresh and matured noodles. Gives that good differential taste. Okay, last bit of pine nuts are going on, half on there. They've browned up beautiful and looking awesome. Last bit there. This is what we've got so far. Okay, we've just got put the noodles on top. On top there. Okay, one bag between the two. Clean up as we go. Right, so now we have to make the sauce. Let's go over to the stove and make a sauce. Okay, I forgot one of the ingredients, sugar. So in the bottom of the pan, put some oil and put some balsamic vinegar. Yeah, I'm going to put a generous load of this in as well, and we're going to boil it down. And I'm going to try something new today. I'm going to put a bit of our pomegranate molasses. Quite a sweet taste, and it's a bit of a secret ingredient. So we'll see if we can get some out of the bottle. Here it comes. This might give an interesting flavour. I made some last week and I didn't make enough of this and I had to cook some more, which was a bit of a pain. So we'll try and do a nice load today. I'm going to cook it down and we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of sugar. Sugar a bit more than that. Okay.
Put some sugar. Let's try and get into this. This time.
There's about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and let's go into a container. It's always the same. You go and find a nice Tupperware that'll fit in. You can't find the bloody lid. So we'll go and look for that later. As this cooks on, we'll stir it around, melt the sugar, and try and make a nice sweet balsamic sauce to go over the top of this salad. And this will take a while to boil down, but we should get a nice sauce to go over that and soak up into the cabbage and give that wonderful flavour that you've tasted when you've had this noodle salad of mine. So I will cut here. Please subscribe to my channel for any additional or more recipes to come. And like this one. I'll show you the end product in a minute. Look at this, bubbling up lovely now and slowly bubbling off. Obviously we don't want to burn this and make a toffee, so keep a close eye on it at this stage. Oh, that smells amazing. I'll probably turn it down a little bit. Carrot, turn it down a little bit. I think that it just needs to thicken up a little bit further and we should be good. Okay, we're just going to pour this over the top. Half of one. Half of the other. Okay, now let it cool off and that is ready to eat. Thank you for watching how to cook a noodle salad. I hope this helps you guys and happy eating with my noodle salad. It's called Phil's Noodle Salad. Happy days. Don't forget to subscribe.